Hey, what's up everyone? Wanted to hop on here and do a quick review of the Gorilla Grip kneeling pad here. The reason why I picked this up is that me and my wife were going to start transforming some of our flower beds, and we wanted something to be comfortable when we're kneeling down, planting flowers, building a planter with the girls, and I decided to pick this one up for a couple of reasons. Number one, and the reasons why I picked up this particular pad, obviously now you can see I've gotten it out of the packaging, which was really well, that shrink wrap was on there really well. Number one, I got it is because it is thick. This is advertised as 1.5 inches thick, and it is a very dense foam. Now, I weigh over 200 pounds, and anything that is, I've had some softer pads. I mean, if you first get this thing out, it's very, very rigid. The foam is very, very dense, and I've had less dense and thinner pads. Because I weigh so much, I go right into the ground. This is nice. This actually provides a level of support if you are a larger person. And right now I can feel a lot of support here in my knees. And again, it's for somebody who's larger, that's probably the number one reason why we got this one, is because it is so thick. You also, I mean, they advertise the carrying handle, but come on, how hard is it to really carry a piece of styrofoam? Other thing I do like about it though is the size. It is a larger size, again, because I'm a larger guy, but it does allow me room to have both knees here. I've had pads that are smaller, and again, you're kind of doing this whole, like, let me get all my knees on here, but this one you can kind of spread out. You can keep your knees shoulder length apart or shoulder width apart, and then you can again, it's more comfortable to sit on. You can sit in a more natural position, and you're not like falling off the edge of the pad on either side. Now, it does come in a variety of colors. I picked the blue one just because, well, I like the color blue, but I don't think the color is going to make any difference on whether or not. They're all the same pad. They're just molded in different colors. But overall, if you're looking for an inexpensive, good, dense pad that offers a lot of support, and again, I think because of the thickness, it's going to last for a long time. I do recommend picking up this particular pad if you are doing a gardening project this spring. Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.